Hello, this is Kareem.
This is Adele, and this is our final project for CS111.
It's going to be about climate change and its impacts. Let's go through it.
So first we had deforestation and the effects of deforestation on the climate. Here we'll have an animation of trees getting chopped down and forests getting lost, and it'll take a little bit of time, but
Like, like whoever's using this, while they're reading the information that we put here, so have them understand and visualize this, just like the trees here that it's died. Next, we have the city and organization and creating cities. Like this increases the carbon emission because of cars and factories in general.
and then next we had oceans and how oceans are getting littered and polluted. And here we have an animation of the wave taking over all the litter and picking it up.
Yeah.
And then we have some information and data.
Next one here. Lastly, we have like we wanted to choose like an iceberg like landscape, and for the visualization, we showed an animation of the icebergs here like melting, as you see here. Here's the information.
And then next we did a game where the user will be presented with two options, and they will have to move the character and choose a more environmental friendly option. And these options are decisions that they'll have to make in their everyday lives.
For example, for the first one, Bugs Bunny had to choose between landfill or like recycling like a water bottle. Bugs Bunny chose recycling. Boom is correct. And here in the top right, you can see there's a face that would show you like if you get these right, it gets happier, but if you get them wrong, it will get sadder. Here, Bugs Bunny wanted to like he chose a car instead of a bike. Incorrect. Cars cause it's like they're bad for you, and instead it's better to choose a bike. Correct.
And then lastly, we did either a reusable bag or a plastic bag.
And then he was gonna choose a plastic bag, but decided reusable bag is a way better option. Yeah, so we thought that this game would like help our users just be more immersive.
And more environmental conscious at the end of it.
And here's the code requirements.
So we had over 1,100 lines of code, 17 loops, 30 functions, 9 if statements. We imported over 15 images. We used 6 built-in functions, and we had animations basically on every screen. And so we used on-click to go through the screens and on-key to control the characters in the game.
For themes, we chose social issues, data visualization. Our computer science project revolves around like the critical issues of climate change, deforestation, iceberg melting, and littering. And what sets our project apart is incorporation of an interactive game where users face daily life choices like choosing between plastic bag and paper bag. This decision-based game aims to make participants more aware of the environmental impacts of their choices. By blending informative content with gameplay, our project offers an immersive way to educate better choices. Thank you so much.